The battle over how you vote in North Carolina is now heading all the way to the Supreme Court.
Today, the justices heard a case related to the state's voter ID law, which has been on hold for a few years. Our Capitol reporter, Michael Hyland, is live in Raleigh with a closer look at why and when this could be resolved. Michael.
Right. Today's case just deals with a narrow issue and not the broader question of whether you should have to show an ID. Experts I talked to say it's unlikely that this gets resolved in time for this year's election.
Thank you.
With another high-stakes election just months away, the U.S. Supreme Court heard arguments Monday related to North Carolina's voter ID law. Republicans in the General Assembly question how vigorously Democratic Attorney General Josh Stein is defending the law and want to step in.
We have a separate interest, and as I've explained, they tug at one another.
While North Carolina Democrats have opposed voter ID measures, Stein's office points out they've prevailed in the case so far, and there's no difference in their legal position and the Republicans. An attorney for the state NAACP also pushed back.
And state law clearly authorizes the Attorney General to defend state interests.
Meredith College political analyst David McLennan says the Supreme Court generally doesn't like to get involved in these kinds of cases.
They recognize the authority of the state in terms of electing its own officials like Attorney General.
For now, the court is not weighing in on whether the voter ID law itself is constitutional. It's one of several cases pending since voters decided in 2018 to amend the state constitution to require you show a photo ID to vote. That requirement has been on hold ever since, while the legal battle plays out. How likely do you think it is that this does get resolved in time for the fall election?
Knowing how slow cases move and the docket for the Supreme Court, I would say we would be looking more at 2024.
The state Supreme Court is also set to weigh in on this. They just heard arguments in a case dealing with this last month and have fast-tracked a separate case that they could potentially hear this summer. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.
All right, Michael, thank you.
Well, here's something you'd like to hear. Gas prices are slowly creeping back down in North Carolina right now.